Yeah, that thing's crazy, man. Wow. He's a tough kid.
Yeah.
How cool was that?
Alright, I'll stand right here. Let's take a picture of it. How long can I put tires on it?